The no hard drive error on your Dell PC means the system can't detect your hard drive, HDD, or solid state drive, SSD, during startup. This prevents the operating system from loading. The error usually shows up during the BIOS/UEFI screen. It's a common issue, but doesn't always mean the drive is dead. Before diving deep into diagnostics, try these simple quick fixes for the no hard drive error. First, power off your Dell computer completely and unplug it from the wall outlet to ensure it's safe to work on. Next, reseat both the SATA data and power cables connected to your hard drive. Gently remove them and plug them back in firmly. Finally, double-check that all connections are secure and the cables show no signs of damage. Loose connections are a common cause of this error. To access and check BIOS settings, restart your Dell computer and press F2 or Dell during boot to enter the BIOS or UEFI setup screen. Once in BIOS, look for the SATA configuration settings in the menu options. Verify that your hard drive is listed in the SATA configuration. If it's not visible, this may indicate a connection problem or a faulty drive. While in BIOS, check if a BIOS update is available and install it if so to resolve potential compatibility issues. When interpreting diagnostic results from EPSA, pay close attention to what the system reports. If the diagnostics detect errors with your hard drive, this strongly suggests a hardware problem that may require replacement or repair. Make sure to note down any error codes displayed, as these will be essential when contacting Dell support or researching solutions online. However, if no errors are found with the hard drive, the issue might stem from software problems or incorrect BIOS settings that need adjustment. To test the drive externally, first remove the hard drive from your Dell computer. Then, use a USB enclosure or SATA to USB adapter to connect it to another computer. Check if the other computer can detect the drive and access its files. If not, the drive is likely faulty and needs replacement. Upgrading to a solid-state drive, or SSD, is an effective solution for preventing hard drive errors. SSDs offer greater reliability compared to traditional hard disk drives due to their lack of moving parts. If you've tried all the steps and still encounter the no hard drive error, it's time to contact Dell support or a qualified computer repair technician. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and fix complex hardware issues. Provide them with the error codes from the EPSA diagnostics for faster assistance.